Hello guys, Nina is here. We know Deepavali is around the corner, so this year we thought we'd do something Indian. So we came up with this Murukku set. Here we provided all whatever you need to make a murukku. So we have the murukku flour, which is the roasted of rice flour and dal flour. We have all the spices you need. We already mixed it up. It's Ajwain seed basically and white sesame seed. We even provided you the mold and coconut milk because we are following one of our colleagues' recipe. According to her recipe, she replaced water with coconut milk. So let's get started. Okay, so basically I'm using half of the flour. So I already put the flour in the bowl, and this is also half of the spices. So the first step, we mix all the spices, and I added the salt as well with the flour. The thing is, here I have butter. Actually we add butter to give the taste, so it's up to you. For the half of the flour you can add 2 tablespoons butter or ghee, whatever you have at home. And then my coconut milk also is here, so I mix them evenly. So after you mix your flour with your butter or ghee, you slowly add your coconut milk. We don't want to add the coconut milk all in one go. We want to add them slowly. You add a bit, then try to mix, then add a bit more. Actually, this is only the second time I'm making murukku, so I hope you don't mind if I do messy and I don't do it really professionally. If you are using your whole flour, actually the flour is 500 grams. So if you're using your whole flour, better to mix your coconut milk with water. So we are done. This is how your dough must look like at the end. So we move to the next step. So I have some balance of my butter. I use it to apply on my mold because I want the dough pass through the mold smoothly. So I use it to apply all over my mold. Then here I have 2 different heads which are suitable to make this murukku. Later I will show you what is the difference, but basically using this one your murukku looks much better, but this one is of course much easier. I adjust the temperature on 160 degrees. Actually, this part is the tricky part. It's quite difficult to make the murukku in a nice shape, so I just try my best. You try your oil first to make sure it's hot enough. You can take a piece of dough and try. So I think it's hot enough. So if you adjust the temperature on 160 degrees, it needs around 2 minutes to get fried. So the color would be something like this. So it's good enough for us to take it out. So if your dough is too hard, it's difficult for you to push. Actually, you need to add more water or more coconut milk. And then don't get disappointed if it ended up not really as the murukku you see outside. Still the taste is as good as the one which shape nicely. So actually the trick is you must adjust the pressure of your hand with the speed of your hand, okay? So means as you go, you press the mold. Don't press it more or don't press it less. Then you have to adjust your hand speed as well. It's a bit tricky actually. The first time you try, definitely you cannot get a nice shape. But if you try for a few times, eventually it happens. And then the last part, see the last part, try to close it. You put it back, you stick it back on the circle. So then when you put it in the oil, it won't open. See? So I want to show you the other head. So I change it with this one for you to see how the murukku would look like with the other one, the 3 holes one. So of course with the 3 holes, this head would be easier for you, but the shape is totally different. The shape is not as nice as the other head. Okay, this is our murukku done. So nice. So if you like to try this adventure, it's really fun, guys. Believe me, it's really fun. If you want to try, you can get the set in our online shop. We put the link below this video. So have fun and happy Diwali. So Baba, you have a delay.